Hello everyone, welcome to the technical analysis, the basic course. Today we are going to discuss about the 11th part of double candlestick patterns. So previously we have discussed about the history of technical analysis, the terms used, the types of charting, time zones, single candle patterns and many more stuffs. So make sure you have subscribed to our channel and watch our previous videos. Our videos are segregated according to the playlist, so it will help you to be in the sync, right? So let's get started with today's topic. Today we are going to talk about a double candlestick pattern. It is known as tweezers. Okay, so tweezers can be broadly divided into two parts, that is tweezers bottom and tweezers top. So tweezers bottom is a bullish reversal sign and vice versa. The tweezers top are a bearish reversal sign, right? So let's talk about tweezers bottom. So tweezers bottoms looks like this. How to identify these tweezers? The first candle is red, as you can see here. The second one is green. Both the candles have almost same low, right? And what is the logic when you see this price action? Look for this tweezers bottom in downtrend, and when the prices refuse to go below a certain level in these two candles, the bears took charge in the first red candle. They really fought well in the second candle also, but from that same or near similar price point, the bulls took the momentum and they have closed almost near to the open price of the previous candle. Now this is a trend reversal pattern. The reliability is moderately low, right? So we will not be trading on this, so there is no trade setup for tweezers bottom. As against it, there is a tweezers top. So this is how a tweezers top look like. There is a first green candle, the second one is red, and both the candles have almost same highs, right? And what is the logic behind it, right? We have to look for tweezers top in an uptrend. So there is a preceding uptrend and the prices refused to go above a certain level in both this candle. The bulls took charge in the first green candle. It shows the bullish force, and the bulls fought well even in the second candle, but the bears took the momentum and they has closed near the close of the first green candle, right? So again, it is a trend reversal pattern and reliability is moderately low. Now the thing is that I would not recommend to trade on tweezers, right, whether it is top or bottom, because it is not a reliable pattern. So there is no trade setup again, but yes, this is just for your better understanding. Kindly avoid this candlestick pattern. In my particular setup, it means nothing. It's just showing me some kind of consolidation or indecisiveness of the market movement, right? So this is how I personally trade this. You can follow us on our social cover, you can email us, WhatsApp us, and our handle is TradewithNik. The links are given in the description below. Make sure to subscribe our channel, because as I told you, the new courses are going to launch very soon. So I wish you will not miss the course, right? See you in the next one. Till the time, happy trading and trade safe. Goodbye.